Hello, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to download Urban VPN for free on your PC. First, you have to go and open your browser. After that, you have to type in the search bar Urban VPN. And now, click on the first link that shows up. And here we are on the official web page. We just click on free download, and now we wait a little bit and the download should start. If it doesn't, we just go and click on the pink color here that says click here, and the download should start. And now, after downloading, we just go and double click on the file that we just downloaded. After double clicking on it, we will get this page. We click on next, and then we can read and click agree and continue, and then I accept the terms of use and click install. Now we have to wait for the installation to be completed, and after that we can move on to the next step. We click on finish, and now the Urban VPN should start on our PC. We don't log in, we click on continue free. And now we wait a little bit, it should load, and here we can connect to any country that we want. In this case, I have chosen United States, and I click on the on button, and now we are connected. That's it. Very simple and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.